Starting the evening, my name is Barry Kassab, and I'm a market development specialist from Shure. And I'm very excited today to take you through this launch event. So without further ado, here we go. Our opening statement is our founder's opening statement that we always like to start with, which is that we know very well that we know very well that absolute perfection cannot be attained, but we never stop striving for it. So we seek perfection in every day. And the way we do that is actually the seeking perfection is our day-to-day motivation in even achieving newer products. Now, as a 96 years old company, sound is our business. That's quite obvious. But you know, good sound is good for many people, but the immersive experience and the extra mile in the sound performance that we strive to have is our day-to-day thing. Also, as a 96 years old company, we are quite everywhere. We are in sports events, we're in live shows, we're in government summits. We are everywhere. And we became the recognized audio company in the world. Going back a bit in history, everybody knows our classic microphone, the Super 55. This was one of the first microphones as a commercial microphone, which was made for the broadcast. It was a radio microphone. And that was our first broadcast microphone until TV production came into history, and we made a smaller version of that, which was the 55SH. But the same way we started the history with this microphone, we made it big in one of our leading systems right now that everybody's adopting everywhere in the world. From sports events to Olympics to live performances, openings, news, you name it. The main reason for this system is that it introduced a new pillar in the way that we speak in the wireless system. Due to all the challenges in the wireless environment, we had a lot of requirements to have a zero-tolerance system. So Axient Digital introduced the first of its kind, interference detection and avoidance, which actually right next to me here, and also introduced many things that are even under the hood, coming from the software with Wireless Workbench, that renamed the workflow of all the engineers around the world, the way they do frequency coordination. Plus, the way that even we deal with the hardware, that we even introduced a new micro body pack that never had edges. It's not even made of metal anymore, and it's even sweat-proof. So all of these together, by far now we have one of the best wireless systems in the world. Now we're very happy to share with you the success of the Axient Digital through this video. With the success of the Axient Digital, we didn't stop there. We even went further, and we started looking into lavalier microphones, and we came up with a new innovation with the lavalier microphones through our twinplex microphone with one of the strongest cables in the market. That was a medical grade cable. And that also, not stopping at the cable, also at the capsule, where we had also a new innovation with a dual diaphragm microphone that changed also the way the lavalier microphones sound. All of that thin sound that lavalier microphones had just got changed, and now we restored that low end that people were looking for in the microphone. Plus many accessories and many adapters that fulfills any kind of transmitter or receiver in the world. These microphones come in 4 colors: white, cocoa, tan, and black. Now, from the success of the twinplex, we even went furthermore and we came up with the first IP57 rated microphone, defying the elements. This is a waterproof, dust-proof microphone, and at an affordable price. Also comes in 4 color variations. This will fulfill all these new trends of television shows, like the live TV shows, where they need to go under the water or above the water or in the sand or get in harsh environments. Also comes in 4 colors as the Twinplex. Now, with the continuous innovation from Shure, we also came with the AD3 plug-in transmitter. The AD3 plug-in transmitter was revolutionary by many things. The first thing is it has a one-of-its-kind locking mechanism. The locking mechanism is something that all of the production engineers, all of the recordists suffer with after a lot of wear and tear on the plug-in transmitters. So we came with a dual lock that secures the microphone from falling at any kind of environment. Now, this also enables you to use any of your microphones, starting from our VP89 down to even your SM58. This microphone is sweat-proof and debris-proof, and it also comes with a nice leather sheath at the back. So, looking at the lock with, for example, the shotgun microphone. So now it's a wireless shotgun microphone. Further to this, we also came with a nice product here, which is a VPH handle. This looks like a wireless microphone, but it's actually a preamp with an XLR output. And this also enables you now to use all of the wireless heads in Shure portfolio with this handheld, and makes it a wired handheld. And then you can use that also on a plug-in transmitter. Now, all of these products are really great, and right now brings it to an extra level. But now for the next big thing, I'm very excited to share with you our new wireless portable receiver, dual channel Axient receiver, which is the ADX5D. This is really exciting to me. The most exciting thing I like about this product is now we brought in something that everybody aspired to have in the receiver, the Show Link. And the Show Link enables you to have a full remote control on your transmitters. Now, this comes in 2 modes. You have your standalone mode and you have your network mode. Now, the main difference here is that in the standalone mode, you have interference detection, but not avoidance. You need to avoid it manually, but using your remote control. In a network mode, you are still using everything in that wonderful system down here when you network this together. Simply by using a preset code on your receiver, you fix that in your wireless workbench, and that will engage the system right away with the whole Axient Digital ecosystem. And then you'll have a fully remote control with interference detection and avoidance. That means now you have 0 tolerance when you are live on a scene or when you're live on a show with a mixed kind of setup, as in a fixed hardware and your portable receiver. Further to this is that this portable receiver comes with an exchangeable backplate. So you can accommodate many manufacturers with either if it has a slot, so you can actually pick up a DB25 or DB15 backplate, or just go with a TA3. If you want to go with a TA3, then you can use it in a shoe mount like this, called shoe mount, like this camera here in the demo, or just pick up the right backplate and you put it in your camera. Also for our engineers on the site, we also got we are able to accommodate their SL2 and their SL6. So now they can also have the system there with full remote control on the transmitters. The other thing that I like about the system is that the transmitters right now also can communicate back to the receiver. So if you change anything on the transmitter, the receiver also will be updated with the information on the transmitter. With this, we can see that now Shure has a full portfolio to bring all of that wonderful equipment closer to you.